Good afternoon. It is Wednesday, July 3rd, 3 p.m. on the nose. I just wanted to give you some updates for the week. Again, the yen is still getting weaker. It's getting weaker across the board. First one we're going to look at is Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. And as you can see on the daily here, you got a nice big candle where this Japanese yen is still getting weaker and it's following that conversion line right on up. And now you got the baseline moving up as well. So that is another good sign. You got your nice green cloud forming here, upward cloud, upward baseline, upward conversion line. All good signs. Let's check out, and this is on the daily time frame. Look at that nice big bar there. It's been a big day for the yen, especially Aussie dollar yen. All right, we'll go down to the 4 hour here. 4 hour shows that it's just gotten a little stronger within the 4 hour time frame, but I wouldn't worry about that too much. If you're in the trade now, if it was me, I would stay in. If not, I would look for maybe some entry opportunities, but go down to the lower time frame. Let's go down to 15-minute here, one of my favorite time frames. And as you can see, it just touched that baseline, so that's a good sign. You got a fractal there, right there, that baseline. It's about to hit that parabolic SAR and go right back up. So as you can see, it hit this baseline here, right in here. That was about 2:15, yeah, about 45 minutes ago. And well, yeah, 45 minutes ago. And now it's going back up. So if it were me, I look for some nice entry opportunities. We're going down to the 5 minute, 3 minute. The 15 minute is a really nice tail off. I mean, look at there. It's just going up and up and up. So this is a good chance, for you to consider in your trading plan an entry into the Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. All right, next in line is the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Same thing here. Nice big candle form today, and it's still going up. Conversion line going up, baseline here going up. It's all beautiful. Let's see if I can get a better pointer here. Guess not for now, for the time being. But anyhow, as you can see, you got your cloud forming and still going upward. Everything is upward. This is another beautiful trade. Let's go down to the 1 hour on this one. Check this out. Right now you have a cross. And earlier today, there was a dip as you show in the chart here. This was at about 10 this morning. You had a nice big dip where the yen got temporarily stronger. It was all across the board. I think there was some news that came out in the U.S. here, and like I said, I do not pay much attention to the news because it will throw my trading off, as you should not as well. But I know there was some news. I do read the news feeds, and I do pay attention to the calendar sometimes. But I know that overall that it is not a good thing to watch the news. Let's see. All right, so as you can see, there was a dip, but it's going right back up. So we'll go to the 15-minute. As you can see, it's petered off a little bit. It's petered off at this level 118.568, but I wouldn't worry about that too much. Uh, if you want to add this to your trading plan, I would just look for a good entry. And always remember, practice good risk management. That's one of the most important things. Risk management, risk management, risk management. Can't iterate that enough. All right, we're going to go to the Great British Pound, JPY. Same thing, big candle. You got your conversion line pointing up, baseline pointing up, the cloud forming. Everything's beautiful. It's a beautiful go, a beautiful trade here. Going straight to the 15-minute on this one. As you can see, same thing. It just bounced off that baseline. It went past the conversion line in the 15-minute, but it never passed this baseline. It would right here. It went earlier today. Same thing. 10 a.m. when that news came out from the U.S. It kind of rocked the market a little bit, but you know, if you're an experienced trader, that's when you look for a good trading opportunity because also a big rule is you never trade against the major trend. So if something like this happens and it's against the major trend, you might want to consider entering. You can make some, you can have a really profitable trade there. If there's something that happens that's against the major trend, you can definitely do that. But always, analyze your trades well, and practice proper risk management. So that's another good trade. Same thing here. Euro JPY is really blasting off. It is far away. This price action here is far away from this conversion line. That means this is a good, really good takeoff. I may even consider entering this trade myself because this is a good trade. Right now, I'm still in USD JPY, but this is a beautiful trade to consider. This Euro JPY. You got your baseline. Everything is just pointing up. Look at it, like pitchforks. It's just beautiful. This is a beautiful trade. Beautiful week for trading the yen dollar. Same thing. That new news at 10 o'clock came out. Boom, hit the baseline. Didn't go any further than that baseline, and went right back up. So always look at those quick trades against the major trend. You can do well. All right, for the 15 minutes, it's kind of petering, going downward in the 15-minute time frame. But as you can see, it just touched that conversion line. So more than likely, it's going to continue to go up because you look at the big picture and it's just pointing straight up like a pitchfork. So, well, it's just pointing up. So another good trade to consider. Kiwi JPY, another one. To 2 hour on this one. Right now, it just hit that conversion line. So you just want to watch what it does with this conversion line. Is it going to go down and go to the baseline and drop, which I strongly doubt. But it could always happen because you never know what happens in the markets. You never know. But it's looking like it's going to start to go upward again. Let's go down to the 15-minute here. Yeah, it hit the baseline on the 15-minute and it's going to start to go upward. Nice fractal form there. Like another fractal is going to form here. It's just going to continue to get weaker. And like I said, don't pay attention to the news. The news will mess up your trading. I promise you. I promise you. I'll trade in a contest against anyone who depends on the news, and I guarantee you I'll win every time. Every time. That's the worst thing you can do. All the news you need is right on your chart. Right here on this chart. That's all the news you need. All right. Okay. Now, let's check the one I'm in. USD JPY, still beautiful. Almost touched that conversion line. Almost touched that conversion line, and we got another. Look like it may be another fractal forming. We'll see. But as I told you today, we had that 10 a.m. dip. I bought some more. I bought some more dollars. I sold more yen and bought more dollars because I never fight the major trend. I have been trading for a very long time, and it was a very, very hard lesson learned. I promise you that you never go against the major trend. So that was 10 a.m. And whatever happened, happened. It dropped. Got it stronger. I, I bought more, and now it's going back up. So it's a beautiful trade to consider as well. Right now, the yen is still getting weaker, so just something for you to consider for the rest of this week. And as always, practice proper risk management and never ever trade against a major trend. All right. Good luck to you all and happy trading.